Take his stick and go. The Jade Emperor will see you home.
What are you going to do to him?
That selfish creature doesn't care about you. Run!
Ah! Stick! Where are you?
Don't look back! Don't look back! Don't look back!
Goodbye, mortal! You couldn't possibly think you were worthy to take your place here amongst us immortal ones.
Monkey!
What?
Oh! I love it when people tell me what I can't do.
My lightning makes you stronger?
I'm immortal!